Hello, hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question: if x square minus 16 is greater than 0, what are the possible values of x? So option A is x is greater than 4. Option B is x is less than 4. Option C is x is greater than minus 4. And option D is minus 4 is less than x, and x is less than 4. Option E is x is less than minus 4, or x is greater than 4. So let's examine one by one all these values. So for option x is greater than 4. So it means that if we put 5, 6, 7, so what will be the result? So let's see over here. If we put 5 over here, so 5 square equal to 25 minus 16, which is obviously greater than 0. And similarly, if we put 6 over here, so it will also it will become 36 minus 16, which is equal to 20, which is greater than 0. So it means that option A is correct. But my friends, remember one thing: if you are solving some MCQs like this, so never in MCQs escape the other options. First, you have to examine all the options, and after that, you can take a decision. So this is my suggestion to all of you. So therefore, we will examine all other options. For option B, let's x is less than 4. So it means that any value less than 4 we can put. For example, we can say that if x equal to 3, 2, 1, or even you can say 3.99, because 3.99 is also less than 4. But even if we put 3.99 and then we put over here, so it will be not true, because it will not be greater than 0. So therefore, I have taken the whole number. So let's say if we put 3 over here, it will become 9, and 9 minus 16 is not greater than 0. So this, it means that if we put 3, 2, 1 according to this option, in which x is less than 4, so it means that this option is wrong. So we eliminate this option. This option is wrong. Now come to option C. Option C says that if x is greater than minus 4, so x is greater than minus 4 means that minus 3, which is greater than minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, and so on. So if we put minus 3 over here, so it will become 9. 9 minus 16 is obviously less than 0. So option C is also wrong. So therefore, we will eliminate this option as well. Now come to option D. So option D says that x is greater than minus 4 and x is less than 4. So it this is a range which is given, so we will try in this range. So it means that x equal to minus 3, so which is greater than minus 4, and minus 2 is also, and minus 1 is also. Similarly, x is less than 4, so it means that 1, 2, 3. You can also put 0 over here. So it means that if we put minus 3 over here in this x square, so it means that this option will also goes wrong, because the whole value will be less than 0, not greater than 0, because this will become 9, and 9 minus 16 equal to 7, basically minus 7, and minus 7 is not greater than 0. So therefore, if we put this 3 over here, so it will become 9 minus 16, which is equal to minus 7. Again, this value is less than uh, 0. So therefore, this option D is also, we will eliminate this option, because D is also wrong. Now come to the option E. Option E says that x is less than minus 4, or x is greater than 4. So there are also range and two values. One values is this one. So we already have checked this value. It is true. Now let's check this value, and we will examine for both the values. So it means that option E says that if x equal to minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, because here x is less than minus 4. So minus 5 is less than minus 4, and similarly minus 6 is also less than minus 4 and minus 7 and so on. And similarly for this option 5, 6, 7, so these all values are greater than 4. So if we put minus 5 over here, so it will become 25. So 25 minus 16, so it means that 25 minus 16, the result will be 9, which is greater than 0. So this option is also correct. If we put this minus 6 over here, so it will become 36, and 36 minus 16 equal to 20, which is also greater than 0. So now look over here. Although this option is correct, but there is some other possibilities, and these possibilities are these: if your x is less than minus 4, then your question will also be correct. So the correct option for this question is basically option E, because these both possibilities satisfies this condition. If your x is less than minus 5, or x is greater than, sorry, minus 5, not minus 5, if x is less than minus 4, or x is greater than 4. So these both conditions satisfied by this equation, and basically this option E is the correct answer of your question. So we will not opt this because it is also true, but it is incomplete, and this is the complete answer, you can say, or complete option of the question. Because if you opt this option, so there is a possibility remains, and the possibilities is if your x is less than minus 4, and here no possibility remains. So therefore option E is true option and correct answer. So therefore we will opt this option E is our answer. So this was all for today. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.